Hi everyone! Carbon dioxide is one of the most common molecules you'll encounter in chemistry, but drawing its Lewis structure can be a little tricky because of its multiple bonds. Today, we're going to master it together using 5 simple, logical steps. Step 1 is to calculate our total valence electrons. Carbon is in group 14, so it brings 4 electrons to the table. Oxygen is in group 16, which means each oxygen atom has 6. When we add them up, 4 plus 2 times 6, we get a total of 16 valence electrons to work with for the entire molecule. Step 2. We need to find our central atom. Since carbon is less electronegative than oxygen, it takes the center spot, flanked by an oxygen atom on either side. 3. Let's connect the atoms. We'll draw a single bond between the carbon and each oxygen. Each bond represents 2 electrons. Since we've drawn 2 bonds, we've used 4 electrons, leaving us with 12 more to place. Step 4. We distribute those remaining 12 electrons as lone pairs, starting with the outer atoms. We'll place 6 electrons around each oxygen. Now, both oxygens have a full octet of 8, but notice that we've used up all 16 of our available electrons. Step 5. We check the central atom. Right now, carbon only has 4 electrons, so it hasn't reached an octet yet. To fix this without adding more electrons, we have to share. We'll move 1 lone pair from each oxygen to form double bonds with the carbon. Now, look at the result. The carbon has 8 electrons, and both oxygens still have 8. This gives us a stable, linear structure where carbon is double bonded to each oxygen. And that's it! The Lewis structure for CO2 is complete. If this step-by-step breakdown made the process easier for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more chemistry tutorials. If you have a specific molecule you're struggling with, leave a comment below, and it might be the star of my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.